last part, now we see 3-4 examples, some solved examples, some examples from exercise, which are based on the expression of acceleration, velocity, and displacement. For example, you have to buy the government textbook, physics, 12th standard, very important. एक copy होना चाहिए. All the bookstores are open now. Go and get your copy now. So उसमें पेज नंबर 135 क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिया है, उससे फ्रीक्वेंसी और पीरियड फाइंड आउट करना. अभी इक्वेशन क्या दिया है देखो भाई, dx d square x. This is from exercise question number 9, that d square x upon dt square is equal to minus 36x. Now, and you have been asked to get frequency and time period. Required is f और आपको टाइम पीरियड फाइंड आउट करना. So when you compare this, you can note d square x upon dt square is equal to minus omega square x. So when you compare these two expressions, therefore omega square है ना 36 है, तो omega आएगा 6. Now 2 pi by t आपको कितना है मुझे बताओ, 6 है. Therefore t आएगा 2 pi by 6, so t आएगा 5 by 3 seconds. Now if I substitute the value of pi, that is 3.14, और इसको सॉल्व करूंगा तो आएगा 3.14 divided by 3, so 3 1 nearly 1.05 seconds में लिखना है, सिंगुलर. ओके, और है समझ में. और फ्रीक्वेंसी रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ टाइम पीरियड. I think you have to remember this expression, the frequency and time period का relation. So this is 1 upon 1.05, so आएगा 0.955 or 0.955. That is problem number 9 from the exercise, page number 130. Problem number 10 है देखो. Problem says a needle of sewing machine moves along a path of amplitude 4 cm, frequency 5 Hz दी, और उसका acceleration आपने you have to find out the acceleration at t is equal to 1 by 30th second after it has crossed the mean position. And what is given to you? Problem number 10 में a दिया, तो a का वैल्यू कितना दिया मुझे बताओ, 4 सेंटीमीटर. आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी दिया है 5 Hz, and you have to get acceleration at t is equal to 1 by 30th second. Okay. Now tell me, what is the expression for acceleration? A is equal to minus omega square. उसका magnitude कितना है मुझे बताओ. Magnitude, when I write only magnitude, I write in modular sign. So I got omega square x. Correct. So this A is equal to acceleration, or you can write like this. You just say that it is the magnitude. So A is equal to आएगा omega square x. But remember one thing, here x is not given to you. x दिया नहीं है, तो पहले अपने को x निकालना पड़ेगा. So what is x is equal to, tell me? A sin omega t plus alpha. Alpha is 0 because it has started from mean position. So x क्या आएगा, a का वैल्यू है 4 sin omega is 2 pi by t into t. Alpha 0 है, तो x कितना आएगा, 4 sin 1 upon t. इसका मतलब फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना दिया अपने को, 5. तो 10 pi into 1 by 3, 1 by 30. So sin pi by 3, sin pi by 3 यानी साइन 60 √3/2 हो गया। तो x का वैल्यू कितना है मुझे बताओ, 4 इंटू √3/2, तो 2√3 हो गया, x इज इक्वल टू 2√3। ओके, so now what is the a is equal to omega square x, so acceleration is omega means 2 pi by t 1 upon t, so frequency हो गया, तो 2 pi f the whole square into x, so a is 2 into 3.14 into 5 the whole square into x, x कितना है 2, so acceleration is 5 to the 10 31.4 the whole square into 2। now when you simplify this, इसको आप जब simplify करेंगे, हेलो बोल बोल, हाँ करेक्ट। all atomic collisions, they are all elastic collisions। no all collisions between mega bodies है ना, they are inelastic collisions। for example अभी दो बॉडी if they collide, for example if there is an accident, so you ये तो हाँ तो inelastic collision, correct। मैं बाद में, हाँ अभी मैं से पार्लर में हूँ, तो मैं हाँ बाद में डालता हूँ, जब निकलूंगा ना तब मैं एक नोट डालता हूँ। ठीक है। So when you simplify this, na acceleration 34.2 meter per second square, 2 into √3, so do this calculation, 34.2 centimeter per second square है acceleration का value, only that calculation part you have to do it, और 1000 to centimeter, 34.2 meter per second square। there is one solved problem, देखो जरा solved problem है ना, solved problem है, example 5.1 page number 112 में, a body of mass 0.2 kilogram, and the mass of the body is given to you, that is 0.2 kilogram, it performs, a body of mass 0.2 kilogram performs linear acceleration, it experiences restoring force of 0.2 Newton when the displacement from the mean position is 4 centimeter. यानी what is given to your result data? Always first write down the data given to you. So m is equal to 0.2 kilogram. They say F is equal to 0.2 Newton when x is equal to x is given as 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters from the mean position. Determine force constant, period of recession and acceleration of the body when the displacement is 1 centimeter from the mean position. So what is to be calculated? हमें f k find out. K is question mark. Then you have to get period and acceleration. Time period find out करना है and acceleration when x is equal to 1 centimeter. Now how to proceed now? देखो ये f you all know the relation between f and x. f मालूम है f is equal to minus k. So f is equal to k, the magnitude. F कितना है 0.2. When k x is 0.2 न्यूटन है तो x को 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 मीटर ले लो. तो k का वैल्यू आएगा 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 divided by 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. तो प्लस 2 हो गया तो 20 upon 4 तो आएगा 5 न्यूटन पर मीटर. k आएगा 5 न्यूटन पर मीटर आएगा. So that is right. Period omega is 2 pi by t. So what is t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Right? Now, if I know the value of omega, I can find out. We can easily find out the time period. Now, you all know that omega square के लिए हम लोग ने k by m यूज किया. तो ओमेगा कितना हो गया रूट ऑफ k by m. तो रूट ऑफ k by m तो t कितना होगा 2 pi रूट ऑफ m upon k. तो 2 pi रूट ऑफ m कितना है? What is the mass? 0.2. k का वैल्यू कितना है 5. तो t is equal to 2 pi root of 0.04. So t is 2 pi 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. t आएगा 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 1. 4 pi है 4 into 3.14 into 10 raised to minus 1. तो t आएगा 1.256. So this is then acceleration. Third, you have to get acceleration. So a is equal to minus omega square x. Omega square is k by m into x. So you have to get acceleration when x is equal to 1 centimeter. So k कितना है 5, m कितना है 0.2, x is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2. So when you simplify this, 5 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 2. So this is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 1. So acceleration आएगा 0.25 meter per second. Okay. So questions can be asked on the expression of differential equation, displacement, velocity and acceleration. You have to verify your answers. Look at the answers given in the book. Sometimes it is wrong. अभी बुक में आंसर क्या दिया है उन्होंने कि -1 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर दिया है. उन्होंने पूछा है you have to get acceleration when displacement is 1 centimeter and they have calculated acceleration when the displacement is 4 centimeter. So be careful about it.